Micron has recovered some of the losses it printed in the pre-market session of today, the 20th of August 2025. So yeah, the stock is trending as investors weigh the positive impact of potential tariff exemptions, and the company has raised Q4 guidance, which was driven by stronger DRAM pricing and robust AI data center demand, as well as the prospects of the U.S. government taking up a stake or converting the grants the company received from the Biden administration into equity. So the market sees Micron as one of the biggest beneficiaries of the AI boom, with demand for high performance memory, particularly in GPUs and servers, creating significant tailwinds. Community discussions are centering on Micron's valuation compared to peers like Samsung and SK Hynix, with some arguing that Micron remains undervalued despite its recent rally. The conversation also has shifted toward the future of high bandwidth memory, where Micron is competing with industry giants like SK Hynix and Samsung. Investors are closely watching whether Micron can capture a meaningful slice of this rapidly expanding market, especially as AI workloads demand ever faster and more efficient memory solutions. Some traders are speculating about the possibility of a short squeeze, pointing to elevated short interest and strong technical momentum. Others are more cautious, highlighting that while near-term catalysts like upcoming key bank conference and the September earnings disclosure could provide upside, the stock's performance will ultimately depend on execution in scaling AI-related products and sustaining pricing power in the memory cycle. Overall, Micron is becoming a focal point of the AI supply chain debate, with bulls positioning it as a long-term winner in the data center AI hardware ecosystem, while skeptics caution about cyclicality and competition. So yeah, this is what's going on. It's trying to raise those losses now. You can see what I mean here. It pivoted. It got a bounce at 116.03. Yeah, in this pre-market session. So the extrapolation is that the strength it has now picked up will remain in place up till Tuesday next week, Tuesday the 26th, and then after that, might cool off going into Friday the 29th. There's no guarantee that that will be the case. We have couple of projections here. We have they're all downward projections: 110.2, 112.49, 116.18 currently prevailing. We may have higher projections. The current price is 119.89. Let's see what we have. Uh, 122.90, 125, 1.15, 126.53. This was as of the middle of July. Yeah, okay. So there's easily ample room to the upside for the stock. Let's see what we have in terms of buying pressure, price pressure momentum. Okay, currently we have a negative pressure momentum for its 10 period moving average. Yeah, a negative price pressure momentum, and then negative first derivative, positive second derivative, indicating that I think it's indicating that things are improving. The negativity is getting eroded. I think that's what it's indicating, and the positive derivatives are a testament to the strength that it has picked up. So it's improving. It has a base. It has a positive base. Maybe that's why the algos have extrapolated a pivot going all the way towards Tuesday, the 26th of August. Okay, let's see what's going on the daily chart, since it hasn't really changed much. Okay, okay, we'll just pick up the projections here. Here we have 116.47. It's downward projections into, yeah, it's a down projection. As of the 30th of July, we had one right around where it is, 119.31, 121.21. So I mean, easily, upper projections are not a problem for the stock. There's ample room to the upside for the stock. There's really a lot of room to the upside. 3 hour chart. What do we have here? We have sideways movement, decline, a distributive contraction coming in, going all the way towards the pre-market session of tomorrow, the 21st. Then a bounce that's expected to remain in place up to Tuesday, the 26th. Let's have a look at the 2 hour chart. Yeah, same uptrend, same bounce is what is extrapolated. Let's see what we have on a 1 hour chart. Yeah, bounce as well. What's this saying? 115, 113.81, 115.34, 117.80, 126.16, 128.01, 129.16. Yeah, okay. I think we may be able to get a good impression of the bounce we are that has this is it's this happened. Yeah, the bounce that it's currently, like I said, it has recovered some of its losses. So this is what happened. This is how it did it here. Okay, so let's just see how things go. Yeah, like I indicated earlier on, the U.S. government is planning to take up a stake in the company. U.S. Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick is exploring federal equity stakes in chip firms like Micron Technology, funded by CHIPS Act, to boost U.S. influence over supported companies. Why not? Why not? Why not? Yeah, yeah. So have a look and see what you make of Micron stock, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.